Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. So yeah, don't be surprised, guys, on the screen. You know what? Sometimes we don't really have to be quite serious because our emotions sometimes can work against you because you just want to see things happen at your own time. So sometimes you just have to relax, sit back, and just go or take one step at a time, you see. So anyways, and for those who don't know, I like to race, but this is like game. I think it's Need for Speed. So, but I will be like, I'm trying to go in sim racing. It's not really something that I know much, but I have to buy the equipment. So I think I will be doing a channel for that. So now on the markets, remember, guys, this Friday we have NFP. There is NFP, right? So on NFP, mostly the market won't be moving very nice, especially days before that day, like today, tomorrow, until Friday. So mostly the market won't be moving as aggressive as we know. We know that on Saturday, they did continue with the tariffs and stuff like that. The market started to go crazy. But after that, especially from Mexico, they did pause because they're still negotiating. It seems like they're not going to continue with that 25%. Similar to, they're not going to go the same way with Canada. You see, so it seems like that is not really as bad as we thought. That's why we start to see the market trying to recover. You see, so on the other ones, we can just go check the market, maybe USD, ZAR. There's nothing much. So, or let me just say, you know what? Let's make this a nice screen there so that we can see what's really happening on all this. Let's see. So yeah, this is new year, guys. I'm trying to add something different on the channel. So I just want the channel to grow. I might be adding like live sessions where I will be trading and at the same time doing some other things. So now on dollar ZAR, we can see that yeah, the market is still actually on that bullish move, but since we reached this level, we did not really reach our resistance area, but it seems like the market is now trying, or it's struggling to go higher. It seems like we want to see the market going even lower, but still we have this resistance around this level. The market might reach that before going higher. But the best thing that we can do is to do what? Is to relax. Let's relax and see what is going to happen. All right? So now we can push to the next one, a next pair. On the next pair, we can see that we did smash New Zealand dollar, but the market is now going higher again. So we're waiting and we just want to see if maybe the market is going to break out. Yeah, this thing, it seems to be overloading, or yeah, it's overworking. I think my CPU is overworking. So what's really happening here is we see the market going towards this resistance area. So which means the market might find a nice resistance here and continue going lower, or maybe the market might just continue to go even higher. But since I said we have NFP, maybe the market is just trying to reverse so that it can restart that again. We can't just conclude as quick as possible, that quick. So which means we just have to just watch, just stay back and watch what's really happening before you think about doing something. Because you might think about buying, then maybe NFP becomes quite stronger and we see a continuation of a sell again. Remember, we've been on this downtrend, so which means there is a chance for the market to continue like that. USD CHF, I like what I see here. The market is towards, or we can say it's already, I think we're gonna take a trade on this one. The market is already on that support. So which means we expect the market to do what? To continue going up around this level, because we had this resistance, the market respected that. We now see that the market is doing what? It's respecting our support. So it means the market might start to go higher again. I think I need to check this one out. as quick as possible. So let's push to the next one, which is AUD USD. Still going towards our resistance area. Let's see. So yeah, it's still trying to reverse. So it's like the panic, it seems to be over. It's like Trump was just aggressive, but once he imposed those tariffs, they're not really as aggressive as the way he was saying. So now this is what we see. I think the market will find a nice resistance there and start to go lower again. But as I said, the market might be resetting itself for that Friday NFP. So maybe we might see the market reversing, or maybe the market might even go higher before we get that reversal. I hope maybe this makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is USD Canada. This one is quite aggressive also. We saw USD going aggressively high and now reversing aggressively after the tariffs. It seems like the actually Canada is getting stronger also. Maybe it's the inflation or something like that. And now what do we see? We see a breakout of that support area. So which means we might start to see the market going lower. Remember, I think also this Friday we're going to have employment change from Canada and NFP from US. They are both actually employment change. So we'll see which one is going to be stronger, and then after that we can take that decision. Yes, besides that, or when we can say technically yes, I like what I see here because it's a breakout, but for me to conclude, I just have to see what will happen here. Sometimes you don't really have to jump in, or especially once the market breaks out. The market might continue, yes, that is possible, or maybe the market might reverse aggressively. It's possible. So yeah, for now, I will just wait. Just know that, guys, there are days where you're just going to stay out of the market. Just waiting. Just create that on your strategy. There will be times where you're just going to wait and observe. Observe what's really happening on the market. Don't just see some opportunities like every second. So Euro JPY it seems to be going down. JPY is quite stronger against Europe. So we can see that the market is going like this. And we know that Trump said there are tariffs coming to Europe and Britain. So maybe that is the case. But beside that, we can see that the market is being showing us that it's going down. It's going down. So we expect the market to do what? To continue like that. But as we reach this lowest level, maybe the market might go a little bit higher before going actually lower again. So let's push to the next one. Yesterday, we did not really finish very well. I think maybe it was a trading view or something. But today I will try to complete. So now on GBP JPY, we can see that the market actually reached the support area, and it seems like it's gonna push up again. I will see what I can do. I think we can have a proper buy because at the moment we are a little still bit lower or very closer to the support area. I'm expecting the market to continue. Just look what happened here. Every time when the market touches that area, we see the market doing what? We see the market going higher and quite aggressive. Quite aggressive, you can see that. So the market just moved away from this area. So we expect the market to do what? To continue like that. So we can have a very nice swing trade. Simple as that. So USD JPY, what's really happening? We did smash this one. We were not holding anything at the moment. So it seems like the market is now going lower, which means the dollar is losing that aggressive momentum that we had from the tariffs. So it seems like it was not a lie, but it was not what we were expecting. But anyways, I think the market just broke out here. We will be expecting to see a continuation of a sell. As I repeat, we expect NFP, guys. So things might change. The dollar might be stronger anytime soon. If it's not, obviously we will see what we can do after this breakout. The market will actually give us something. Sometimes you just need to have that time where you just relax. Just relax. Euro USD also reversing from that nice downtrend. We will be waiting for it to reach our resistance area. I think reaching that resistant area, it's not going to be an issue. Reaching this area, going down again, I think we're going to smash that. So let's push to the next one. I think everything's just quite straightforward. Bitcoin still struggling around our support and resistance, but the overall structure here, we know very well that we are on that nice uptrend. This is what we have, obviously, but we still expect the market to continue going even higher. We can see we are on an aggressive bullish move, but maybe there are some profit taking. That's why we see the market playing around the same level. Obviously, it's not really as easy as you think to buy at that level, because you have to think twice. You buy, then the market starts to sell off. That is possible. So dollar index, what's really happening on a dollar index? We can easily see that dollar index actually reversed aggressively. If we can go closer, the market reached the resistance area, and now we see the market doing what? The market going even lower. But the question is, will the market actually stay around this level or continue? At the moment, we can't say anything, but it seems like we will see the market respecting that zone. Remember, we are on this nice uptrend. So I think the market is just getting ready for NFP, and at the moment, it seems like we're not going to have any issue with tariffs. At the moment, we're not having any aggressive tariffs like 50% or 100%. You see, so this is what we have. I think this support can hold very nice, and this can help the dollar to shoot up again. Remember, this is DXY. It represents the dollar. I hope maybe that makes sense. GBP USD, it's like every pair that is going with the dollar, it's gaining some momentum. So it's like people overbought gold. Now maybe they're doing some profit taking. Maybe they are afraid of NFP or something like that. So, but what do we have here? We had a proper nice downtrend. Now the market is getting out. And we also smashed this one on the previous trade that we had. So this is what we have now. Market is trying to break out. If it gets out here, we'll obviously look for that buy, but not so quick, as we are going to wait for NFP before we decide. I hope maybe that makes sense, right? So the next one is going to be gold. Gold is flying, guys. I think there is a safe haven. It's actually a safe haven, but I think there is something which is brewing. That's maybe we don't really know yet, but we know very well that Russia and Ukraine, they're still continuing. I heard Trump said, you know what, we're going to take Palestine. I don't know how will that work. Maybe, I don't know. They're going to rebuild it. I don't know if maybe that will continue or something. But it seems like I saw the statement. I saw the speech. He said he want to take over Palestine. Maybe they will recover very quick, but we'll see. On gold, you can see that, yeah, we still have some stuff happening. That's why we see gold still going up. We did get in there a little bit. It's not like it's late, because we were waiting for some rejections, and then the market did confirm with us to say, you know what, guys, just jump in. And you can see we don't even have a smaller reversal there. So I'm still expecting to see a very proper push, but don't just wait for the market to hit TP. If the market is going to hold very longer or get quite slower, sometimes just take your profit and get out. It's not like every day you're going to hit TP. Sometimes TP, it's there just to help you with just to have an idea what might happen, but it's not like it's going to happen like now and then, you see. So now we are on US30. We can easily see that the market seems to be doing what we were expecting. Yes, the overall structure here, we can still see that, yes, the market still shows us that it's on this nice bullish move, but we can see that the market, it's actually on a ranging structure. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So we are on a ranging structure, and we can see now, if we zoom a little bit closer, we can see that the market is it's actually struggling. The market is struggling it's struggling to go higher. I think we are going to maybe see some reversal, but let's say NFP has the power to show us that. At the moment, we'll just say, if maybe the dollar is going to be stronger, I think we're going to see that reversal, because the dollar is getting stronger, inflation is going up, rates cuts, they're going to be delayed, and that means inflation will just stay longer, higher rates are going to stay longer, and that is not going to be good for consumers. Easy as that. So quite similar to NASDAQ, we are on NASDAQ. We can easily see that the market where we are, the market is actually consolidating. Yes, we're coming from a very nice uptrend, right? The market has been uptrending. Go check my previous analysis, you can see. But where we are now, it shows us that, you know what, the market just wants to rest. And after this, obviously, the market will give us some very proper, aggressive moves. We know that. The market is still thinking, the market is still deciding, but what I like is you don't really have to get lost with a structure like this, as the market is showing us that, you know what, this is actually a ranging structure. Just look at this, that, this, that, this, that. Obviously, you understand what's really happening. So the market is just playing around. But what we can do is, yeah, we can still take the markets, whatever we want to take, but the most important areas are going to be this resistance and this support and resistance. So around this area, yes, we will be looking for those buy positions if the market is going to respect this. But if the market decides to break out, it means we have to look for a continuation of a buy, and we expect that, right? But if the market goes down, that will be a bonus. That will be actually a bonus. But at the moment, we're just waiting. I think we need some fuel, and that I think is gonna be NFP. So let's push to the next one. S&P 500 is also the same here. We can see that it doesn't really look good. We see that it doesn't. We did have a scalping yesterday there, so we can see that we don't really have that fuel. Okay, this is something another one that we did smash. You can see that, yeah, we did smash when the market was a bit lower. So we can see that the market is also trying to do what? To consolidate. But what we want is to buy when the market is lower. So let's forget about the consolidation and wait for the market to reach certain level, which is going to be our support before we decide. Sometimes, remember, you need to wait. Not sometimes. I think most of the times we need to wait. And that's the thing with trading. Sometimes you just need to relax, do something else. So now we are on German. What's really happening on German? We can easily see that, no, man, the market is actually on this nice bullish move, but it seems like the market will end up going a little bit lower. And that will be good for us because we expect to buy around this support area. So I think that NFP is holding so many markets. The market is not moving any aggressive, so that is good. We have to wait and see. So at the moment, I think this is enough, guys. I will call it a day. For those who wants to be part of the team, just know that we have this special for $60. Né? We have this special for $60 for 12 months VIP signals. And if you want be a signal indicator, it's actually $75. Actually, you're saving another $75 because it's 50% off and it's going to end this Sunday. So if you want that indicator that helps us to eat, let me know. You can scan this QR code there or go on my description, find the link, WhatsApp link or my contacts. Just talk to me there. Then you will get in our group or you can get the system. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.